I'm Rick Gaines, the Chief Juvenile Officer here at the Family Court of St. Louis County. The state of Missouri has 46 judicial circuit courts, and each judicial circuit court has one Chief Juvenile Officer, or CJO. The CJO is created by Missouri statute to facilitate the care, protection, and discipline of youth. Our philosophy includes accountability, rehabilitation, and restorative justice as it pertains to our delinquent acts of juveniles. Key elements of the juvenile officer's work is to provide care, guidance, and control to youth that is conducive to the child's welfare and the best interests of the state of Missouri. In the 21st Judicial Circuit, the juvenile office consists of several departments. The delinquency department works with youth who are referred to the delinquent acts such as law violations, an example being assault and stealing charges, and what we call status offenses, examples being truancy and runaways. Our Child Protection Services Department works with children who are alleged to have been abused or neglected. We work closely with the Children's Division to ensure safety for children that may come to our attention. The Juvenile Detention Center is a secure facility that houses youth who may pose a community safety risk or those youth who may fail to appear for a scheduled court hearing in St. Louis County. Our legal department consists of 9 attorneys and 1 managing attorney that represents the juvenile officer in all legal matters. The CJO has numerous deputy juvenile officers, or what we call DJOs, in our departments who manage the day-to-day work of the juvenile office, handling cases, meeting with our children and families, appearing in court hearings, and working with outside agencies and community partners. We primarily work with children and families who have been referred to the juvenile office by law enforcement, school personnel, Children's Division, and parents or guardians. We also provide some diversionary services in an effort to support children and families before a referral is made to the juvenile office. We also have DJOs in some school districts supporting children who have not been referred to the juvenile office. The juvenile office provides programs to children and families on many different topics, such as restorative justice programs, anger management program, community work programs so that youth can earn money to pay back victims for their loss, family and individual therapy, and a host of other programs depending on the child and family needs. St. Louis County Juvenile Office takes a holistic approach in examining each individual case to create an appropriate intervention plan for youth and families referred to our office. Our goal is to intervene in a way that will improve the outcomes for youth and families. For more information, please contact the St. Louis County Juvenile Office at area code 314-615-4400, or you can visit our website at www.stlouiscountycourts.com. As the Chief Juvenile Officer, I am represented by my legal department, which consists of our licensed attorneys who represent the juvenile office on all statutory responsibilities.
Hello, I am Alex Martinez, and I am the managing attorney for the St. Louis County Juvenile Office. I oversee the legal department that represents the Chief Juvenile Officer of St. Louis County, Missouri. We currently have 9 staff attorneys with 3 paralegals and 1 investigator. Our purpose and function is to represent the Chief Juvenile Officer in all juvenile matters in St. Louis County, Missouri, which include, but are not limited to, abuse and neglect, delinquency, and termination of parental rights matters. Contrary to popular belief, we are not prosecutors, and we serve as legal counsel for our client, the Chief Juvenile Officer. To represent him effectively and zealously, we use Missouri statutes, Supreme Court rules, and the United States Constitution to advance the mission and goals of the Chief Juvenile Officer. We currently represent the Chief Juvenile Officer in front of 4 judicial officers. They consist of 2 21st Judicial Circuit Court Commissioners and 2 21st Judicial Circuit Court Judges. In addition to the legal and court functions we serve, we also work with community partners such as law enforcement agencies, Children's Division, hospitals, nonprofits, and other community agencies that the Chief Juvenile Officer works with. Our purpose is to assure the Chief Juvenile Officer has effective counsel in all settings that could impact the Chief Juvenile Officer's purpose and mission. It is an honor and privilege to represent the Chief Juvenile Officer and all of the dedicated and exceptional work that is done for the children and families of St. Louis County, Missouri.